Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at it at the Duramex. So last time we got the roof installed, we got that all knocked out. The next thing to do is start working on the bodywork. So pretty much we got all those burnt doors we got to start fixing and repairing, and the fenders and the hood, all that. So there's a lot of bodywork to do. We have no time to spend, so let's get straight to it and knock it out. All right, so guys, a lot of sanding, a lot of body filler. We found little dents and things, but we can definitely get that fixed. This door is definitely turning out a lot worse than I thought. Yeah, I don't know, for some reason, we're putting a little more filler than we thought, but we'll see how it turns out. Let's keep sanding and get this door done so we get it for primer. So pretty much this is the hardest door, and then the other door has some damage too that we have to probably fix. But 2 doors are good, 2 doors are bad. We'll see how they turn out. If anything, we'll buy new doors, but who knows. But let's keep sanding, let's keep working. So we get primer done and make it look like one piece, make it look like a good panel. So let's keep doing it. All right, so there we have it. Almost the final product, definitely ready for primer. And then after we primer, we'll block it and see how the bodywork turned out. But I'm pretty happy with it. And then this door had a little ding right here. More of the fire damage on the inside, but we took care of that. So on to our last door. And hopefully this door doesn't have that much work, but let's get to it. All right, so there we have it. We bonded up the doors, body filler everywhere. I was looking at the hood, and I don't think I'm gonna fix the hood because I just found more damage here. It's actually twisted there. We're just gonna have to call the dealer and see how much a new one is gonna be. But we also fixed a couple dents on the body, so we did both sides. Pretty much we're ready to primer. So we also put some etching primer on all the raw metal. So that's gonna be nice and good. And pretty much let's primer the 4 doors, the 1 fender, and the bot cab, and see how it turns out. Let's get to it. All right, so just like that, we got everything primered up. The doors are really looking good. We won't know until tomorrow, but pretty much I'll catch you guys in the morning. We're gonna try to put these doors on and check it out. All right guys, so it's next morning and we got straight to work. So we pretty much put the cab back on the dolly that we made. So now we can roll around and put the doors on because it was a little tight between the two posts lift. But we got the fender on, we got two doors. We kind of set the gaps. We still have to set them a little bit nicer. There's a little bit in the quarter panel on top. I don't like that little gap, so we have to fix that. But let's go ahead and do the other side and check out how it is. So let's get straight to it. All right guys, so just like that, we got the passenger side all together. The gaps, we had to mess with them a little bit. They're looking a lot better, but we still got to fine tune it. But unfortunately, that's all the time we got for this episode. You guys stay tuned. Next time we're gonna mess with the gaps. We're gonna fix a little more damage. So unfortunately, that's all the time we have for this episode, you guys. We got a lot of work done. We did a lot of body filler. We fixed the doors, we primered them again. Next time we're gonna fine tune everything, make sure everything is looking good and let it sit. And we still gotta choose a color, guys. Comment down below what color we should choose. We're thinking maybe a gray, a red, a white, a blue. We don't know what we're doing, but pretty much we still gotta pick a color, but leave us a comment down below. We'll catch you guys next time.